Right, let's have a look at the 2015 question. It was long division 1. Okay, divide x cubed plus 5x squared minus 29x minus 105 by x plus 3. Okay, so let me show you this and let's see if we can figure out where all of the pieces go. So x cubed, oh, sorry, I forgot to change to a biro. X cubed plus 5x squared minus 29x minus 105. And we're going to divide it by x plus 3. Okay, x squared, I'm just making sure I've it taken down right. Okay, so we long divide in. So just like we would any other one, if I was dividing that by 5, I would go 5 into 12, goes twice. I would multiply 2 by 5 and get 10, and then subtract them to get the remainder. I would then take down the 5 and I would do it again. 5 into 25 goes 5 times, and now I would multiply 5 by 5 and subtract them to get the remainder. Okay, so that's the long division steps that we would have all done in national school. Okay, it is the same steps we do here in algebra. It's just with algebra, so it's that bit harder. Okay, now you can see on this one, it was nice. I just had a 5 to divide in. Here I have an x and a 3. Okay, and it's too hard to divide the two of them in. So when we're dividing in, we just look at the x term. So I'm going to go x into x cubed. Okay, so x into x cubed, okay, goes x squared times. Okay, so when I multiply that x squared by the x, I know I'm right if I get the exact term here. Okay, so another way of asking that is what must I multiply by x to bring it up to x cubed? Okay, well, that's got 3 x's in it. That's only got 1, so I need 2 more, which is x squared. Okay, now the 3 is still part of the question. We don't use the 3 when we're dividing it in, but we do use the 3 when we're multiplying to get our remainder. So I went x squared by x to give me x cubed. I'm now going to go x squared by the 3 to give me plus 3x squared. Okay, and you can see I'm putting the x cubes under the x cubes, x squares under the x squares, and that's so that my layout is good and that when I subtract to get remainders, it works. Okay, so I need to subtract, or I suppose in algebra, because in secondary school you do plus and minus, so I'll describe it as change the sign, change the sign. Okay, and you know you're right when you get x cubed minus x cubed to cancel. Okay, that's our goal. And then I go 5x squared minus 3x squared, and 5 minus 3 is 2x squared. And then I take these down just like here. I took down the 5. So minus 29x minus 105. Okay, and then you actually do the same thing again. What must I multiply by the x to bring it up to 2x squared? Okay, what must I multiply by x to bring it up to 2x squared? Well, it's a plus 2x squared, so I need a plus, I need the 2, and I need another x. Okay, I have one x there. This is 2 x's, so I need another one. Okay, and then I multiply this 2x squared by the x and by the 3. Okay, and I put the answer here. So 2x by x, 2x squared, 2x by 3, well, 3 2's are 6x. Okay, put a line under it. Okay, and what we're trying to do, just like before, we tried to cancel the x cubes. Here I'd cancel the x squareds. Here I'd cancel the x's. Okay, so change the sign, change the sign. They cancel. So now I have minus 29x minus 6x is minus 35x, and I haven't used the minus 105x, but the 105 yet. Okay, and then you do the same again. What must I multiply by x to make it minus 35x? Okay, because now I want to cancel the x's. Well, I definitely need a minus, that's for sure. I have no number out here, so I need a 35. And I don't need an x because there's one x. I'm going to multiply the 35 by x, and that's going to bring it up to the x. Okay, and just like before, I'm going to multiply that minus 35 by the x and by the 3. Okay, so minus 35 by x is minus 35x. Minus by that plus is a minus. 3 times 35 is indeed 105. Okay, so change the sign, and you'll get minus 35 plus 35x cancels, minus 105 plus 105 cancels, and I get 0 at the bottom. So my answer, when you long divide x cubed plus 5x squared minus 29x minus 105 by x plus 3, you get x squared plus 2x minus 35. Okay, your answer is here up the top. Okay, so what have you just done? So that's the sum done. Okay, so what have you just done? Well, I want to show you what you've just done. You had one factor of that cubic equation, which was x plus 3. You've now figured out the other factor of it, and when you multiply them together, you should get back to your original cubic. Okay, that's what should happen. So let's check it. Let's split that first bracket. So x by everything in the second bracket plus 3 by everything in the second bracket. So I get x by x squared is x cubed, x by 2x is 2x squared, x by minus 35 is minus 35x. And then I have plus 3 by x squared is 3x squared. Plus by plus is plus, 3 2s are 6x. Plus by minus is a minus 105. Okay, so let's tidy him up. I only have one x cubed term, so that's fine. I have a 2x squared and a 3x squared. So that's my 5x squared. I have a minus 35x plus 6x. So that is indeed minus 29x. And I just have one other number, minus 105. Okay, so that's what you've done. You've worked out the other factor, if you want, that when you multiply it by x plus 3, you get this. Okay, just the same as 5 times 25 is 125. X plus 3 by x squared plus 2x minus 35 gives me this.